Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10. Exercise 3.4 question number 2 part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent and dependent system. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication methods. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question 2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. Question 2 part 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw Rs 2000. Meena went to the bank and withdraw Rs 2000. Clear? She asked the cashier to give her Rs 50 and Rs 100 notes only. Rs 50 and Rs 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of Rs 50 and Rs 100 she received. Question is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can solve very easily. Clear? See the board. Let number of notes of Rs 50. Number of notes of Rs 50 equal to x. Number of notes of Rs 50 equal to x and Rs 100 equal to y. Rs 100 equal to y. Number of nodes of Rs 50 equal to 100 and Rs 100 equal to y. It is clear. Then according to question, x plus y equal to 25. It is equation first. According to question, x plus y equal to 25. Here, Meena got 25 notes in all. Number of notes of RS 50 equal to x. Number of notes of RS 100 equal to y. Then x plus y equal to 25. According to question, and here give her RS 50 and RS 100 notes only. RS 50 note x, it means 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. Here, number of notes of RS 50 equal to x, number of notes of RS 100 equal to y. Here, give her RS 50 and RS 100 notes only. How many notes of RS 50? X multiply 50. Here you can write 50 multiply here. Here you can write 100 multiply y equal to 2000. You can cut it. It becomes 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. Equation second. 2000. You can cut it. 51 ja 50. 51 ja 52 ja 50, 40 ja. It becomes x plus 2y equal to 40. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second. Equation first and equation second is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can write it as here plus 2y. You can write it on the right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 40 minus 2y. Equation second. You can write it x equal to 40 minus 2y. Here plus 2y, when you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 2y. Clear? Now put x equal to 40 minus 2y. X equal to 40 minus 2y in equation first. In equation first. Clear? Equation first. Here x plus y equal to 25. X plus y equal to 25. Equation first. You put x equal to 40 minus 2y. It becomes 40 minus 2y plus y equal to 25. Clear? Here minus 2y and here plus y. It becomes 40 minus y equal to 25. You can write minus y on right side of equal and 25 on left side of equal. It becomes 40 minus 25 equal to y. You can subtract it. Clear? 15 equal to y. You find y equal to 15. Y equal to 15. Now put y equal to 15 in equation second. Y equal to 15 in equation second. Here x equal to 40 minus 2y, equation second, put y equal to 15. Clear? It become x equal to 40 minus 2 multiply 15. X equal to 40 minus 30. 15 to the 30. X equal to 10. You find y equal to 15 and x equal to 10. Clear? Hence, number of nodes of Aryas 50 equal to number of nodes of Aryas 50 here. Number of nodes of Aryas 50 equal to x equal to 10. 10 nodes. Clear? And number of nodes of Aryas 100 equal to y. Here 50 nodes. Answer. You find your answer very easily. Clear? You solve your question by elimination method and you find the value of x and the value of y. Value of x here, number of nodes of Aryas 50, number of nodes of Aryas 100. Aryas 50 equal to 10 nodes, Aryas 100 equal to 15 nodes. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.